Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to cook the only meal my mom knows that it's my favorite. So we are going to make my favorite dish. It's called omena. So we're gonna eat omena and ugali. Omena is small fish. I think in English they call it silver something. I'm gonna write it down. I'm gonna Google and write it. But yeah, we in Kenya we call it omena. My friend's mom, she came from Kenya last week and she got some for us. You guys, here in America it's hard to find the real omena, and that's why most of people always ask me what's your favorite dish, and I'm like but omena has always been my favorite since I was young. So we're going to make it today. I'm gonna show you guys from I'm not gonna be able to show you guys from the scratch because this one has already been what they did back home. They washed it. First of all, you're supposed to wash it, and then you dry. You put in like something like this, and then you make it dry. Like you dry it till it turns to brown. So like you see, this one is brown right now, so it's ready to be cooked. I'm gonna show you guys how we're going to cook it. Yeah, I'm excited. So what do we need, guys? We need some tomatoes, we need some onions, we need some whatever. I'm gonna check what I have. You can put whatever you want. So let's cook, baby. Let's cook. And we're gonna cook ugali too, guys. So remember, guys, I told you the first thing you need to do, you need to wash your omena. Put low heat. Put in the pan, put a little oil, make sure you turn it around, turn it till it turns brown, and then you can go ahead and start cooking it. Mine it has already been dried and everything. So what we're going to do, we are going to use some tomatoes, cilantro. I'm gonna use roiko. I have salt. I got milk, and then I'm gonna use vinegar. Yeah. Okay, guys, you see now we're gonna start with the onions. We're gonna let the onions cook, and we're gonna use some olive oil. You don't have to use olive oil, you just use whatever oil you have, but I love olive oil. It's good for you and it's healthy. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna wait till the onion turns brown. That's how I like it. I like it when my onion is brown, smelling, and then I will add some tomatoes. Oh my god, guys, omena is done and it's too delicious, guys. Remember I don't know if I told you guys I was gonna put milk in it, but I didn't put milk because when I tested it I was like, no, I don't need milk in this. Oh my god, it's so delicious. So right now we're going to cook some ugali. Ugali is another thing, guys, especially for Kenyans. If you go to other countries, they call it something different, but it's almost the same. So what we're going to do, we're going to boil water. We are going to boil some water, and we are going to use some corn flour. After I'm done cooking ugali, we are going to eat. But I was gonna tell you guys, most of the time when I eat ugali with omena, I usually have like some vegetables on the side, like spinach, whatever. But I don't have any I don't have any vegetables today. The vegetables that I have, I can't use. So we are going to eat, but I do have avocado, so at least we have some greens. So yeah, let's cook some ugali, baby. So guys, there goes my dinner. What do we have? We have some ugali, omena, and avocado. Let's try it. Remember guys, if we had vegetables, oh my god, could be perfect. But guys, I'm not lying. Oh my god, this is so delicious. I know some of you guys might be like, why are you using your hands? So food like this, guys, you need to use your hands. When you use your hands, that's when you feel it. I don't know how to say, but yo, it's good for you to use your hands when you're eating this kind of food. The real African food, guys. Whew. You guys, I know some of you guys know that I'm pregnant. The good thing with my pregnancy, I can eat anything. Anything, baby. Just give it to me. Ooh. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my dinner. So now you know that in Kenya we eat some ugali, some omena, small fish. Yeah, that's one of our Kenyan food. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to put that like, share the video, and see you next time, guys. Thank you so much for watching.